Hey guys, this is Josh from the service department, the boat specialist. I just wanted to talk to you today about this freshwater boat we've been putting together. It's a really great project, completely tournament ready. Let's check it out. All right, guys, let's jump right into it. This is the build out on this 2020 Ranger Z518. So up front, we have the Ultrex from Minn Kota. This is the iPilot link, so it's totally networkable through all the other systems in the boat. We've also got on the front turret here, we've got the Mega 360 from Humminbird, giving you 360 rotational reads. This is your live foot from Blitz. That's a product we get through DD26. They're a great company to work with out of Arizona. That's going to house our Garmin Livescope forward-facing transducer. That's going to give you really high-def reads and the actual orientation of what the fish are doing when they're on the bite. Down below, if you can see this, we also went ahead and did the Hydrowave. This is going to release auditory clips of how fish sound when they're feeding and the noise crawfish make in order to get those fish on the boat faster. Another really cool feature about what we've been doing on this build out is the Ultrex iPilot link from Minn Kota. This comes with a completely wireless controller equipped with neck lanyard or belt clip, and this allows you to control the trolling motor from any place in the boat, and that includes directional steering, spot lock, and the power in which you move forward or in reverse. The other really great feature is this little key fob right here will control our live foot from Blitz lure, and that's going to give your transducer directional capabilities isolated from the direction of the trolling motor. So this allows your boat to stay on spot lock while you can scan for new schools of fish. They've also got great foot controls here. These are completely wireless, easy to install. They don't cause any extra holes in the boat other than the mounting holes themselves. And you've got directional capabilities right at the press of your foot. All right, guys, moving right into the bow configuration on this boat. We've got 3 screens isolated, you'll see here. We've got a Lowrance Elite 9, we've got a Garmin XSV GPSMAP 12, and we've got the Humminbird Helix in a 12. These are to isolate the individual transducers and features of the bow and aft of this boat. That Garmin's going to control the Livescope 360 or 3D transducer. The Hummingbird's going to give you the Mega 360, and then the Lowrance is going to give you the traditional read from the trolling motor mounted transducer. And then you can see here the controls for our Hydrowave. That's going to give you that auditory effect of getting that fish bite sound coming from the bow of this boat. One feature on this that I want to bring to your attention is this DD26 bow mount that allows you to have multiple turrets coming off from the trolling motor. The fit and finish of this product is fantastic. We're a dealer for these guys. They're based out of Arizona, but the craftsmanship and metalwork on every single component of this mount is absolutely spectacular and really reasonably priced. If you're looking for an alternative to using a traditional ram mount, this product from Ballzout is top notch. Absolutely beautiful, CNC'd aluminum all the way through, lightweight, super adjustable. You can set your screens up any way you want. And again, guys, that's Ballzout. They're a great product. We love seeing their stuff on these boats. All right, guys, to get away from the bow a little bit, we're going to head back to the what we call midship of this boat, the console center. We again went ahead and did another Helix 12-inch in the console here, and that's paired with a transom mount transducer to give you some of those more traditional side view, down view, and chirp reads. All right, guys, we couldn't leave you without mentioning the heart of this beast. This is a 175 Pro XS for Mercury. We just had it in for a little routine maintenance, annual service at 300 hour, and we did a fresh seal on the trim tilt assembly. So this thing is ready, tournament ready, ready for the season. Get out there and crush some fish. None of this would be possible without power. So I just wanted to take a minute and highlight what we've done back here. So we've run isolated power to all the equipment at the bow and at the console, and we've wired that into an individual 12-volt cell of lithium power. Now, lithium is great, guys, when you're trying to save weight on the boat, get to the spot faster, but it's also great because it's quick charging and super reliable. On top of that, we've gone ahead and we put a 24-volt lithium system isolated for the trolling motor. So the starting motor, the trolling motor, and all the house power are on all their own systems. They're all equipped with individual charging systems, and the trolling motor's got a super trick DC to DC inline charger, so the trolling motor will stay charged when you're underway on this big Mercury. All right, guys, again, my name is Josh. I am the service advisor here at the Boat Specialist, and I just wanted to thank you for taking the time to do this walkthrough with me on this 2020 Ranger. This is a local boat. He fishes out of Pyramid and Castaic, so if you get the chance to see him on the water, he's a great guy. His name's Dave, and thank you so much for watching.